What if we told you that a centuries-old remedy tucked away in the dusty corners of traditional medicine could change your health in just 2 days? That's not a gimmick or a sales pitch. It's a resounding echo from the past as proclaimed by old doctors and health practitioners who, long before the age of pharmaceuticals, turned to natural, powerful remedies like castor oil and Epsom salt to address an astonishing range of physical ailments. From unrelenting joint stiffness to sleepless nights from digestive troubles to aching muscles, these two humble substances could hold the key to swift drug-free relief. In today's fast-paced, over-medicated world, many seniors find themselves trapped in a cycle of prescriptions that often treat symptoms without addressing the root cause. We've grown too comfortable with side effects, too accustomed to sacrificing long-term well-being for short-term fixes. But nature offers its own answers, often gentle, effective, and overlooked. This article explores a potent yet underrated remedy that combines the deep penetrating power of castor oil with the muscle-relaxing, detoxifying properties of Epsom salt. The synergy between these two ingredients is not just anecdotal, it's grounded in observable improvements that can offer real hope to older adults. If you or someone you love is grappling with age-related discomfort, chronic inflammation, or just the everyday wear and tear of growing older, read on. What you'll discover may very well become the missing piece in your personal wellness puzzle. Understanding the senior health crisis, aging is not a disease, but the deterioration of function that accompanies it often feels like one. The aches that linger, the muscles that won't cooperate, the sleep that refuses to come. These are not mere inconveniences. They are indicators of deeper imbalances within the body that, if ignored, can evolve into serious limitations. According to the National Council on Aging, approximately 80% of adults aged 65 and older live with at least one chronic condition, and nearly 70% manage 2 or more. The most common culprits are arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and chronic pain, all of which involve inflammation, restricted circulation, and physiological stress. Unfortunately, conventional healthcare is often structured to manage these conditions with pills, patches, and procedures, rarely empowering seniors to take control of their symptoms through safe, holistic approaches. This is where traditional remedies regain relevance. Old-school doctors, many trained before the dominance of pharmaceutical interventions, relied on therapies like castor oil packs and magnesium-rich soaks not as fringe treatments, but as first-line solutions. The science behind castor oil and Epsom. Salt castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and contains a unique fatty acid known as ricinoleic acid. This compound has demonstrated anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and circulatory-enhancing properties. It doesn't just sit on the skin, it penetrates through layers, reaching connective tissues, muscle fibers, and even joints. Epsom salt, meanwhile, is chemically magnesium sulfate, and its greatest gift to the aging body is magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the human body. Magnesium helps relax muscles, support nerve function, regulate blood pressure, and reduce stress. When absorbed transdermally through the skin, it bypasses the digestive system and delivers results where they're needed most, right at the source of pain or tension. Combined castor oil and Epsom salt form a remedy that is more than the sum of its parts. Together, they create a powerful conduit for pain relief, inflammation reduction, detoxification, and improved mobility, making them especially useful for seniors. Case study: reducing joint pain without pills. Margaret T., age 76, had been living with osteoarthritis in both knees for over a decade. Her days were punctuated by pain, her nights by stiffness. Prescription medications helped somewhat, but the side effects, dizziness, stomach irritation, and dependency made her hesitant to continue. After a consultation with a holistic therapist, she began applying a warm mixture of castor oil and Epsom salt to her knees twice daily. The results were subtle at first, less throbbing, easier steps. Within 3 weeks, she reported being able to walk to her mailbox without assistance, a feat she hadn't accomplished in months. While not a cure, the topical treatment gave Margaret control over her symptoms without adding another pill to her regimen. The castor oil helped reduce deep-seated inflammation in the joints, while the Epsom salt relaxed the surrounding muscles and improved local blood flow, all contributing to better function and reduced discomfort. The link between circulation and aging. One of the most underestimated challenges of aging is declining blood circulation. Reduced blood flow impairs the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to tissues, slows down healing, and contributes to symptoms like cold extremities, fatigue, numbness, and even cognitive decline. A study published in the Journal of Aging Research revealed that poor peripheral circulation is a significant contributor to reduced mobility and fall risk in adults over 70. Warm castor oil massages have shown promise in enhancing capillary flow and lymphatic drainage, helping to nourish starved tissues and promote systemic detoxification. When combined with Epsom salt compresses, the effects can be profound. Not only do muscles relax, but veins dilate, swelling subsides, and skin takes on a healthier tone. Case study: better sleep through topical relief. Gerald, a 68-year-old former engineer, had battled insomnia for years. He tried everything: prescription sedatives, melatonin, even meditation. Nothing gave him the restful nights he craved. But after a suggestion from his caregiver, he began applying warm castor oil to his lower back and calves, followed by a 20-minute Epsom salt foot soak before bed. Within the first week, Gerald was falling asleep faster. By the second week, he was staying asleep longer. The magnesium absorbed through his feet helped reduce nerve excitability and muscle twitching, common culprits in restless leg syndrome, while the castor oil stimulated relaxation by reducing stress hormone levels. Sleep is often the first casualty of aging, but as Gerald's story shows, natural interventions can reset the body's rhythms without causing grogginess or reliance, targeting digestive sluggishness and abdominal discomfort. As metabolism slows with age, so does digestion. Bloating, constipation, and irregularity become common complaints, and unfortunately, overuse of laxatives can make the situation worse over time. Castor oil has long been known as a natural stimulant. Laxative but topical application across the abdomen also encourages peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that move food and waste through the digestive tract. When paired with warm compresses and Epsom salt, which draws out excess fluid and soothes intestinal walls, many seniors report significant improvement in regularity and comfort. In clinical settings, castor oil abdominal packs are used to support liver function and bile flow, both of which play critical roles in nutrient absorption and toxin elimination. For seniors, this means less bloating, more energy, and fewer digestive upsets after meals, restoring skin health and resilience in aging adults. As we grow older, our skin becomes more fragile. Collagen production declines, cell turnover slows, and the skin barrier becomes more vulnerable to dryness, irritation, and inflammation. Issues such as eczema, flaking, and even pressure sores can emerge more frequently, especially in seniors with limited mobility or underlying health conditions. Castor oil's emollient properties make it ideal for mature skin. It is rich in fatty acids that penetrate deep into the epidermis, helping to lock in moisture and support the skin's natural repair processes. When applied topically, it soothes inflammation, calms itchiness, and restores elasticity. Epsom salt, when used in baths or compresses, acts as a natural exfoliant that gently removes dead skin cells and clears clogged pores. For elderly individuals struggling with dry patches, irritated areas, or cracked heels, a simple routine involving a warm castor oil massage followed by an Epsom salt soak can significantly enhance comfort and restore skin integrity. This non-invasive therapy can reduce the need for corticosteroid creams and chemical-laden moisturizers that often cause side effects in sensitive skin. Menstrual and pelvic discomfort in aging women. Although menstruation ceases with menopause, many women in their late 40s and early 50s still experience symptoms linked to fluctuating hormone levels, including pelvic tension, bloating, and occasional cramping. These discomforts may be confused with gastrointestinal issues or even early signs of arthritis, but they often respond well to topical support. Castor oil has been used historically to support women's reproductive health. It relaxes the muscles in the lower abdomen and promotes blood flow to the pelvic organs. Epsom salt, with its muscle-soothing magnesium content, enhances the effect by calming spasms and reducing pressure in the lower back and pelvic floor. For women experiencing perimenopausal discomfort, applying a warm compress of castor oil and Epsom salt over the lower abdomen for 20 minutes in the evening can offer a simple yet effective form of relief. Unlike painkillers or hormone therapy, this approach works without altering biochemistry. It supports the body's natural balance instead. Widespread inflammation and the role of gentle detoxification. Inflammation is the silent engine behind many age-related diseases, from arthritis and atherosclerosis to cognitive decline and autoimmune disorders. And while inflammation itself is a natural response to injury, chronic low-grade inflammation can wreak havoc over time, accelerating the aging process at the cellular level. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory effects have been shown to modulate immune activity and reduce localized swelling. When used in a compress on large areas like the lower back or abdomen, it encourages lymphatic drainage, a key mechanism for removing waste and inflammatory byproducts from the body. Epsom salt baths further support this process by pulling toxins through the skin and relaxing the central nervous system. In fact, regular Epsom salt baths have been linked with decreased levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, a biomarker of systemic inflammation, according to a study conducted by the University of Birmingham. By incorporating these practices into a weekly routine, seniors can gently but effectively reduce inflammation and support whole-body detoxification without aggressive cleanses or supplements that may irritate the gut, aiding natural detox through the skin. Our skin is not just a barrier, it's an active detoxification organ. Through the process of perspiration and transdermal absorption, the body can eliminate waste and absorb minerals directly. This is why therapies such as sauna use and salt baths have stood the test of time. Castor oil and Epsom salt are particularly effective for seniors who have impaired kidney or liver function and need a gentler method to support internal cleansing. When applied to the skin, castor oil stimulates circulation and supports the liver by promoting bile flow. When soaked in warm Epsom salt water, the pores open, allowing magnesium to enter and toxins to exit, a process many holistic practitioners call passive detox. For those recovering from illness or feeling sluggish after a period of inactivity, a 30-minute Epsom salt bath followed by castor oil application to the lower back and abdomen can leave the body feeling lighter, less inflamed and recharged, all without stressing internal systems, relieving headaches and muscle tension. Naturally, headaches are among the most common complaints among older adults, particularly those with vision issues, neck stiffness, or stress-related tension. Migraines, although more common in younger populations, can also persist into later life. Often, pain medications offer temporary relief, but come with gastrointestinal or cardiovascular side effects. Topical use of castor oil on the temples, forehead, and base of the skull has been shown to relieve tension and reduce the frequency of headaches. Its warming properties calm overactive nerves and reduce localized inflammation. Meanwhile, a compress soaked in warm Epsom salt water applied across the forehead can relax facial muscles and reduce pressure in the sinus and scalp. This method can be particularly useful for seniors who are prone to dehydration or who are sensitive to strong over-the-counter analgesics. Used regularly, this remedy becomes a preventative measure, not just a reactive one. Warnings and considerations for safe use. While castor oil and Epsom salt are generally safe, certain precautions should be taken, particularly among older adults. Those with open wounds, sensitive skin, eczema, or psoriasis should perform a small patch test before applying either substance widely. Additionally, anyone with kidney problems, diabetes, or circulatory disorders should consult a healthcare provider before beginning regular soaks or compresses. Pregnant women, although outside the senior demographic, should avoid castor oil entirely unless directed by a medical professional, as it may stimulate uterine contractions. It's also essential to source high-quality, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil and USP-grade Epsom salt to ensure purity and therapeutic value. Conclusion: a return to simplicity and wisdom. Modern medicine has made extraordinary advances, but sometimes the most profound healing comes not from innovation, but from rediscovery. Castor oil and Epsom salt, once dismissed as relics of old-world healing, are proving their relevance in today's complex world of chronic illness and aging populations. This remedy's appeal lies in its simplicity, affordability, and accessibility. With no need for complicated equipment or pharmaceutical prescriptions, it places power back into the hands of individuals, especially seniors who too often feel sidelined by modern healthcare. From soothing aching joints and improving digestion to enhancing sleep and restoring circulation, the potential of this natural duo extends across the body's most vulnerable systems. It doesn't promise a miracle, but it does offer a path toward greater comfort, mobility, and dignity in later years. As a senior care professional, I believe strongly in blending the best of both worlds: clinical knowledge and holistic wisdom. And in this case, old doctors may have gotten it right all along. If you found this article helpful or inspiring, consider joining our community at Longevity Secret. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more evidence-based natural health tips, aging solutions, and practical advice to help you or your loved ones thrive through the golden years. And don't forget to like and share this article with those who could benefit from a little more comfort and clarity in their lives. See you in the next video.